Welcome to English Shadowing Studio Lab. This shadowing practice video is designed to help you improve your real-life English listening and speaking. First, just listen. You don't need to understand everything. Next, repeat each sentence after a short pause. Finally, listen again while reading the text on the screen. So now, relax and let's begin.
Today, we're talking about how social media affects our mental health. These days, social media is part of everyday life. Most of us check our phones many times a day. Sometimes we open an app without even thinking. Social media helps us stay in touch. We can message friends. We can share photos. We can see what others are doing. For many people, it feels fun and easy. It can also be useful. We learn new ideas. We follow people we admire. We discover new trends. For some people, social media creates real opportunities. Small businesses grow online. Creators build full-time careers. Communities form around shared interests. People find support. They find ideas. They find inspiration. In this way, social media can feel powerful. However, social media also has a downside. It's very easy to compare ourselves to others. We see perfect photos, perfect bodies, perfect vacations, perfect lives, but we rarely see the full story. We don't see the bad days. We don't see the stress. We don't see the struggles behind the scenes. When we compare constantly, we may start to feel less confident. We may feel behind in life. We may feel not good enough. Over time, this can affect self-esteem. Research shows that heavy social media use is linked to anxiety. It is also linked to depression, especially in young people. Because of this, it can slowly affect how we feel. Some people start to feel insecure. They feel like they are not doing enough or not achieving enough. Another issue is validation. Many users wait for likes. They check comments. They refresh their feed. When engagement is high, they feel excited. When it is low, they feel disappointed. This emotional cycle can become exhausting. There's also the problem of screen time. You watch one video, then another, and another. Suddenly, an hour is gone. Too much time online can affect sleep. It can affect focus. It can affect mood. In addition, an important effect is on attention span. Social media trains the brain to expect constant stimulation. Short videos, quick images, fast changes. Everything moves quickly. Because of this, it becomes harder to focus for a long time. Reading a book may feel difficult. Studying may feel boring. Even watching a full movie can feel slow. Our brains get used to instant rewards. We scroll. We get something new. We scroll again. Over time, this habit can reduce deep focus. And deep focus is important for learning, for creativity, and for problem solving. And this habit does not always stop when the day ends. For many people, it continues into the night. Late at night, many people keep scrolling. They say, just 5 more minutes. But those 5 minutes turn into 30 or more. As a result, sleep becomes shorter. The mind stays active instead of resting, and the next day feels heavier. Still, social media is not the enemy. The real issue is how we use it. Balance makes a difference. We can unfollow accounts that make us feel insecure. We can follow pages that educate or inspire us. We can set time limits. We can take digital breaks. Even one day offline can feel refreshing. In the end, social media is just a tool. It can connect us, or it can drain us. It depends on how we use it. Today, we're talking about how social media affects our mental health. These days, social media is part of everyday life. Most of us check our phones many times a day. Sometimes we open an app without even thinking. Social media helps us stay in touch. We can message friends. We can share photos. We can see what others are doing. For many people, it feels fun and easy. It can also be useful. We learn new ideas. We follow people we admire. We discover new trends. For some people, social media creates real opportunities. Small businesses grow online. Creators build full-time careers. Communities form around shared interests. People find support. They find ideas. They find inspiration. In this way, social media can feel powerful. However, social media also has a downside. It's very easy to compare ourselves to others. We see perfect photos, perfect bodies, perfect vacations, perfect lives. But we rarely see the full story. We don't see the bad days. We don't see the stress. We don't see the struggles behind the scenes. When we compare constantly, we may start to feel less confident. We may feel behind in life. We may feel not good enough. Over time, this can affect self-esteem. Research shows that heavy social media use is linked to anxiety. It is also linked to depression, especially in young people. Because of this, it can slowly affect how we feel. Some people start to feel insecure. They feel like they are not doing enough or not achieving enough. Another issue is validation. Many users wait for likes. They check comments. They refresh their feed. When engagement is high, they feel excited. When it is low, they feel disappointed. This emotional cycle can become exhausting. There's also the problem of screen time. You watch one video, then another, and another. Suddenly, an hour is gone. Too much time online can affect sleep. It can affect focus. It can affect mood. In addition, an important effect is on attention span. Social media trains the brain to expect constant stimulation. Short videos, quick images, fast changes. Everything moves quickly. Because of this, it becomes harder to focus for a long time. Reading a book may feel difficult. Studying may feel boring. Even watching a full movie can feel slow. Our brains get used to instant rewards. We scroll. We get something new. We scroll again. Over time, this habit can reduce deep focus. And deep focus is important for learning, for creativity, and for problem solving. And this habit does not always stop when the day ends. For many people, it continues into the night. Late at night, many people keep scrolling. They say, just 5 more minutes. But those 5 minutes turn into 30 or more. As a result, sleep becomes shorter. The mind stays active instead of resting. And the next day feels heavier. Still, social media is not the enemy. The real issue is how we use it. Balance makes a difference. We can unfollow accounts that make us feel insecure. We can follow pages that educate or inspire us. We can set time limits. We can take digital breaks. Even one day offline can feel refreshing. In the end, social media is just a tool. It can connect us, or it can drain us. It depends on how we use it. Today, we're talking about how social media affects our mental health. These days, social media is part of everyday life. Most of us check our phones many times a day. Sometimes we open an app without even thinking. Social media helps us stay in touch. We can message friends. We can share photos. We can see what others are doing. For many people, it feels fun and easy. It can also be useful. We learn new ideas. We follow people we admire. We discover new trends. For some people, social media creates real opportunities. Small businesses grow online. Creators build full-time careers. Communities form around shared interests. People find support. They find ideas. They find inspiration. In this way, social media can feel powerful. However, social media also has a downside. It's very easy to compare ourselves to others. We see perfect photos, perfect bodies, perfect vacations, perfect lives. But we rarely see the full story. We don't see the bad days. We don't see the stress. We don't see the struggles behind the scenes. When we compare constantly, we may start to feel less confident. We may feel behind in life. We may feel not good enough. Over time, this can affect self-esteem. Research shows that heavy social media use is linked to anxiety. It is also linked to depression, especially in young people. Because of this, it can slowly affect how we feel. Some people start to feel insecure. They feel like they are not doing enough or not achieving enough. Another issue is validation. Many users wait for likes. They check comments. They refresh their feed. When engagement is high, they feel excited. When it is low, they feel disappointed. This emotional cycle can become exhausting. There's also the problem of screen time. You watch one video, then another, and another. Suddenly, an hour is gone. Too much time online can affect sleep. It can affect focus. It can affect mood. In addition, an important effect is on attention span. Social media trains the brain to expect constant stimulation. Short videos, quick images, fast changes. Everything moves quickly. Because of this, it becomes harder to focus for a long time. Reading a book may feel difficult. Studying may feel boring. Even watching a full movie can feel slow. Our brains get used to instant rewards. We scroll. We get something new. We scroll again. Over time, this habit can reduce deep focus. And deep focus is important for learning, for creativity, and for problem solving. And this habit does not always stop when the day ends. For many people, it continues into the night. Late at night, many people keep scrolling. They say, just 5 more minutes. But those 5 minutes turn into 30 or more. As a result, sleep becomes shorter. The mind stays active instead of resting, and the next day feels heavier. Still, social media is not the enemy. The real issue is how we use it. Balance makes a difference. We can unfollow accounts that make us feel insecure. We can follow pages that educate or inspire us. We can set time limits. We can take digital breaks. Even one day offline can feel refreshing. In the end, social media is just a tool. It can connect us, or it can drain us. It depends on how we use it.